Alright guys, so start taking out the circlips on each end of this piston. So you see the second one is gone, and then I just used this little extension, socket extension, to punch out the pin. You can use the socket if you want to. Now get that aside and then get this new one. Ordered it on Amazon. Gonna have to replace this old piston to a new one. Get the wrist pin, same size, brand new. Came with the brand new circlip. So on this video right here, I did not move the camera, sorry about that, but I'm installing the circlip on one side. Tap it in with a soft mallet, lock it in, make sure it's snapped, and then on the other side, that's where the pin comes in. Just line it up, put the pin. It's a little tight on the beginning, but after that just push it in and then just give a little tap to seat it right, and then you put the last circlip back in there. This is how I put that clip on, because on the beginning the video camera wasn't pointed to the right way, and just snap right in. There we go. That's how you install the pin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video.